on the lookout for Ben Peterson. Hi, you're getting ambushed.
I love a good ambush.
So I need to see something musical.
I have nothing musical but my voice.
Where's it at?
It's literally in my car.
No!
It's not ready for public consumption.
It of course is.
No,
Of
it's
course
not.
It is.
I'm not here.
It is so entertaining. Oh my gosh.
Stand further back.
So okay, well, I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but
We're
it's
not ready. We're
really
not
cool.
ready.
It makes music, and it's
It's a music maker, and it's cool, but it's not ready for anybody to look at. Sometimes at these shows, we're like passing around things that are absolutely not ready for the internet, and the internet's not ready for them.
I think
That's
the
what
internet is ready.
No, it's not.
The
It can't
internet
be. I shouldn't have shown you. And you're like, it's musical, and you're like, yes, it's mine now.
This is actually the perfect scenario right now because you guys can't see it, but we can build anticipation.
That's true.
I like that.
Stay
I like
tuned.
that. That's what I'm here
Now
for.
I have to actually follow
So,
through with it.
Well, exactly, and that's what I'm good at.
Yeah.
That's what I'm good for.
I
right
love
there
it.
is pressure.
Yeah.
So, what have you guys got new that you're showing here at the Blade Show?
Let me go snag it.
There we go.
Sure, he'll be in it. I don't know if he make it to any other shows, but yeah, he's
Okay.
Oh, look at this! Look at this!
So, $25 Lander 5. This will
20
hit the general market
bucks.
in September. We got it on Kickstarter right now. ACR 14 MOV steel, stainless handle, frame lock, reversible pocket clip. I wanted to make a knife for people that beat up knives.
Yeah.
That's it. And so, having fun with that one, and then we're working on this guy too. This will come out in a couple weeks. That's Lander 6. Just a simple little backlock injection molded handle. I'm kind of on this quest to like help people who aren't into knives to have a soft entry into knives.
Yeah.
And this is my kind of year of like, we're making stuff that every man can afford, or every woman, just making stuff that people are super able to put in their pocket.
Exactly. And I mean, not only does that, from a marketing perspective, get your name in people's pockets at a really great entry-level price point, but it gets you even more well-known. And for a company that does so many unique things and bringing to market, like the bit driver, the Grande bit driver.
This is a fun one, man.
And I've been using your original bit driver for a long time now, and I love it.
4mm bits on that one. And the feedback we were hearing is like, make a 1/4-inch one. And I'm like, okay, so we have. So this one has 3 bits, T6, T8, T10, regular magnetic pockets there, and then seat belts like that. And then we did a steel bearing on it because we found that the aluminum didn't spin as long. So we put a ceramic bearing
It's
and a
gotta be more
steel cap.
fidgety.
It's crazy fidgety. So this thing will run for like 2 minutes. It's so stupid. It doesn't need to run 2 minutes, but it's a delight. So anyway, it's kind of this idea of like, the function is good. Now, how do we make it fashionable? And it's got ceramic bearings. I don't know why it needs that. It doesn't.
You guys are absolutely killing it. Ben, thank you so much,
Thank
man.
you, DC. Always a pleasure, man.
Heck yeah.